everyone, Crafting Vicky here with you, and today I'm here to share with you a new collaboration with In Love Art. They sent me a bunch of goodies so that I could share with you guys and show you what they are. And I really love their stuff. So when they asked if I was willing to do another collaboration with them, I said yes, of course. And so I went through the store, and it's so difficult, guys, to choose what to share with you guys. So this is what I chose this time around. So these are some papers, and it's really cool. All the products I will list them in the description box below, so that you've got links to them if you're interested in them. And this is so fun because it actually has Post Canada, Alberta on it. And so this is, if I'm not mistaken, this is like a collage paper, I believe. I think I should have checked first. No, it actually has, it's a sticker. But it's to be used like a collage element type of thing. And well, we'll use some of it anyway in the makes that we're going to be doing. So these have all these beautiful designs. And then this one is all about mushrooms. And if you watch my Instagram, you know I'm obsessed with mushrooms these days. I love them. I love drawing them. They just make me happy. And look at that with the postcard. So I just thought these are really fun elements to use to your makes, and it would be great in planners to decorate. I'm thinking to decorate my obonichi maybe. And then I got this here, this layering stencil. And I just think it's super cool, and they've got even look at that, isn't that fun? I'm gonna use those words because yeah, that's just me, that's how I roll, you know me, and packaging. If I can use the packaging, I'm gonna use it, which means, like, for example, this, it has a beautiful little picture, so we'll use that. So look at that. I love it. And then this here is specimen butterflies, and they're like transparent, and I love butterflies, guys, and I'm sure you know that by now, but look at these, look at that, aren't they stunning? I just love them so much. And there's a whole lot of them. There's 40 pieces if I'm not mistaken. So you've got like different models, different size. You've got tiny little ones. So all kinds of different size. So we're obviously going to play with that as well. Because this is, I'm sharing with you what they sent, but I will also do something because I just want to play. And I'm putting butterflies everywhere. That's me. I need to find a little place to store these in so that I can use them and not lose them. I'm probably gonna use a little drawer that I have. And then there's these deco stickers, which I thought were amazing, and they're just like little pieces of ephemera paper. Oops. So I love this paper as well. But look at all the different little pieces that you can get. So, and so like there's like this, or like just a little, and it's kind of like a vellum feeling type of paper, flakes. So just and because they're so thin, they're not gonna add any, you know, like they can be used in layering elements for your, I was thinking for my obonichi, or for other stuff, and they're not going to bulk up your book, which is amazing, because if you're like me, and you got the cousin size and you didn't get the avec, which is split between two different books, then you really need to watch out your size, because it's gonna become very, very, very messy very soon. It's gonna be very, very thick. And then the last but not least is this here, this washi tape, and I just love washi. Oh, I'm such a big addict, but I've been using a lot of washi because I've been writing letters and using it more, like I said, in my planners, and just having fun with my stationery. So it's great. So this is the alphabet, and I just thought it was such a great way to embellish a page or something. Like, check this out. Isn't that beautiful? So I figured we were gonna do something with the index card, but we might as well, because I want to use this book as a documentation of what I get, and I would love to be able to document that this is in Love Art, and we're March 1st, 2021. I could have used my little date stamper, but didn't think about it. Okay, so we're gonna do a little bit of stenciling, and I'm gonna pull out, I think, my forest moss, because it's green, but I want, yeah, maybe the forest moss. Could use the walnut as well on that one, so I might use both. And pull out little daubers. For the brown, we'll use that. Whoops, things are getting stuck. So let's just have fun and do a little bit of and you're supposed to come in while rotating already, so that you don't have the edges of the circle. But yeah, but isn't that a pretty stencil? I just love how it turned out. So we'll play with that. I also want to put in, let's put in a little, one of those little things. If I'm not mistaken, it's supposed to be sticky. I thought it was sticky. Always have trouble peeling stuff. They're stickers, so it's just me not being able to figure it out, because it does say stickers. Yeah, I have that issue with a lot of my stickers, just because I can feel the edge, but it's just not coming undone. Sorry for this. It's the real life thing. Here we go. Because they're like washi thin, so obviously. But what's amazing is that obviously you don't, like, you would get to see through whatever's underneath, which is what I find really, really fun with these. And then let's put a butterfly, because why not? Let's choose a nice big one. I often don't use the big ones, and it would fit with the colors I've got going. And let's hope I do a better job on unsticking this one faster than the other one. Because I'm pretty sure that's a sticker as well. Okay, I got it. Just need to bend a bit the corner, I guess. And here we go. Oh, I love it. It's so pretty. So, so pretty. And let's use which one do I use? Let's use one of the mushrooms. And how do they tear? Oh, pretty easily. Which is great. So you don't have to use scissors if you don't want to. And this episode will be called Unsticking Stickers. I see it, and I glued it back together. Oh boy. Here we go. It's so thin. And check that out. Isn't it beautiful? Oh man, I love it. So that's what I got. I'm so excited to use it. So we're gonna be making something, and I thought let's make something with these two index cards, because we haven't made any index cards in a long time, and so I'm thinking it'd be fun. And I'm thinking for this one that I want to use some of the, let's just use the green and stencil all over it. I think I had used brushes underneath this before, previously. Oh, look at that. I love it. It just makes it so fun. Okay, so let's do the same thing, but with the brown on top of that one, this one. And my thing is so old that it's actually losing some of its foam. Oh yeah, I love that. Okay, so we use this up, which is awesome. And then I'm thinking I want to use those words because, yeah, they're just fun. And they'd be really good with this make. I'm just gonna put some of this away. Okay, so I'm thinking that I probably want to use some of the floral on this one. See how see-through these are? Isn't that amazing? So, like, you still see whatever it is that you've put underneath, which is just great for layering. It's like really awesome. And you know what? Let's check out in this little book that is also from them. Check out if we can find something that we could use as a background paper. Choose some of this. It might be a pretty one. Even like this one. There's so many beautiful little papers in this paper pack. It's just, and it's a great size to work on small projects like this. Or maybe this because it has music. And then maybe we can, no, do this one with the music underneath here. Okay, so we'll just put this down. I love how it's vintagey and just fun. So on this one we'll use this flower, and I think we're going to use one of the sentiments from this because it seems fitting. Where's my little pair of tweezers? I always have more luck with the corners, but my big fingers can't seem to unstick the two little pieces because they're so thin. Oh my god. I'm sure that once I get the trick of it, it's going to be super easy. But it's just getting the trick of how to unpeel it. It's like those words, the stickers that you print words on from the Dymo machine type of stuff. I had so much trouble initially peeling those off. Okay, I got it. It's really a question of peeling the corners. Oh, come on. I can't seem to be able to grab it with the tweezers. Okay, we did it. And see how much you see the paper underneath? Like you couldn't see it before because of the transparent, because of this sheet. But look now how much you can see the music paper underneath it. That's just so fun. So fun. Okay, so now I'm thinking I want to put the sentiment something about here. So I'm going to put this here and I'm going to put the sentiment on top. And we're going to hope that I can do this without taking forever. I should call this video how to stick stickers. Okay, hey, we did faster. Woohoo! Okay, so here we go. And we'll just cut out one of these. Actually, I'm going to cut them all out because I will be using all of them. I'm liking these colors for this. I love this as well. This is so much fun. And this I can use on something else. I love this part here as well. So I'm gonna use that up in something. And yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna be using this on this. I love when designers or stores put sentiments and stuff at the back of their packaging so you can reuse the packaging. It's just something very satisfying about that to me. Play well. And it seems fitting because with the music it's reminding me of my son playing the piano. And just, yeah. So, here we go. Very satisfying. I love this thing. Oh boy, so much fun. Okay, so for this one, we're going to use another one of these. How about Dream More? And let's use some of the washi, because why not? If I can find, oh boy, today having real difficulty with my stuff. Okay, so put that over here. And I want to use a butterfly. And I'm thinking it might be fun to layer this. So we've got an image. Another image, another layer. I'm going to be going through these things very quickly, I feel. Oh, I got it this time around. Woohoo! So basically the trick is to to tear it in a weird fashion, I guess. So, and I'm going to put the butterfly right like that. And I've got the butterfly too. I'm getting better at this. Here we go. And let's use the sentiment. I like that. So I will use my thin Supan tape because I want to make sure that it stays stuck. So I hope you go and check them out. There will be also in the description box below a discount code that you can use in the store. So if you click on that, you will be able to get to see the discount code. And yeah, so this was super fun. Fast little video, but I wanted to play with the new goodies. And I hope you've enjoyed them. I'm looking forward to reading your comments about them. And what was your favorite? Which of these would you find use for? I'd be curious to know. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys are gonna love the butterflies as well as these. They're very fun. But the washi's fun too. Actually, I can't choose. It's like choosing babies. Can't choose which child you like the best. So that's it for now. I love you guys. Bye.